YouFibre Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to our full review of YouFibre. Links to their products are available in the description below. YouFibre is a UK-based full-fibre broadband provider offering ultra-fast gigabit-capable internet connections. With speeds of up to 1 Gbps for both download and upload, YouFibre uses 100% fibre optic technology to deliver a fast, reliable internet experience. Their service is ideal for households and businesses that rely on high-speed internet for streaming, gaming, video conferencing, remote work, and large file transfers. YouFibre is particularly well suited for those looking for a future-proof connection, offering symmetrical speeds and zero data caps. Strengths. The biggest strength of YouFibre is its full fibre network, providing a significant performance boost over traditional broadband. Their gigabit speeds offer low latency and high reliability, making it a solid choice for users who need a fast and uninterrupted connection. One of YouFibre's key selling points is its affordability, offering competitive pricing for full fibre internet, which is often more expensive with other providers. The company also stands out for its transparency, with clear pricing and no hidden fees. Additionally, their installation process is efficient, and the service is generally well regarded for its customer support, ensuring smooth setup and assistance when needed. Weaknesses. However, the primary limitation of YouFibre is its availability. The company is still expanding its network, meaning it is only available in certain areas, which could be a deal-breaker for customers outside of their coverage zone. Another consideration is that, like many full fibre providers, YouFibre requires a new fibre optic connection to your home, which could mean additional installation time and costs, especially in areas where the infrastructure is not already in place. While the company is expanding, users in rural or less developed regions may face longer wait times for service. Conclusion. YouFibre is an excellent option for users who need reliable, high-speed fibre optic internet at an affordable price. With gigabit speeds, no data caps, and future-proof technology, it's a great choice for households and businesses that need fast, stable internet. However, availability and installation requirements may limit some users. If you're in an area covered by YouFibre, it's certainly worth considering for your broadband needs. Let us know your thoughts in the comments and check the links in the description for more details.